Hi, my name's Chad, and I'm a graphic designer and university digital media professor. In this complete InDesign course, I will guide you as you design various projects in Adobe InDesign, the industry standard graphic design and desktop publishing software that's used by people across the world to design and produce magazines, brochures, flyers, posters, ebooks, interactive PDFs, restaurant menus, and more. In this course, you'll design a poster for a local business, a lookbook for a ski resort, and an annual report for a camera company. And along the way, you'll learn everything there is to know about Adobe InDesign. The course comes with support files, so you can follow along with my examples if you need to. Printable handouts are included, like common InDesign keyboard shortcuts. This course has over 13 hours of helpful video lessons, and I don't ramble or fill the course with a bunch of silence. We get right into learning with no extraneous junk. As far as why I'm qualified to teach this course, I've worked at various media and design companies, including working as Internet Development Director at an award-winning advertising design firm, where we used InDesign to produce newsletters for clients, for example. I've also worked as webmaster and advertising designer at a regional newspaper, where we designed ads and used CMYK plates for printing. And most recently, I was managing editor of 2 graphic design magazines. So for the past decade, while working as a freelance graphic designer, I've also taught InDesign and graphic design as a full-time university professor. In fact, these are some of the magazine layouts from students in one of my classes, Magazine Design and Production. I love seeing what students can come up with after they master the technical skills and then apply design principles, creativity, and problem solving. And my hope is that in this online course, you will produce amazing graphic designs and layouts that you can produce for clients and for your own brand, and add them to your portfolio. Teaching Adobe InDesign has allowed me to figure out the best teaching methods so university students are successful, and that has helped courses like this as well, because I know what areas students will have the most questions about. Having full-time professional experience in the graphic design and publication fields has helped me to add real-world applications to these lessons, so they are not just a video version of the InDesign manual. For example, I explain specific uses for spot colors and branding when we go over how to add and apply various types of swatches in InDesign. I explain everything you need to know about InDesign in this course, since this is the complete guide to InDesign. But instead of going through every technique and tool in a list, I still go over everything, but I include them in the context of a class project, and I explain the real-world professional applications. So enroll now, and I'll see you in the course. Once you enroll, you have lifetime access to the course, and therefore access to any new projects or updates I make to the course. Let's get started designing in Adobe InDesign.